Hi, so in this video, trying to solve the task 1 and assignment 3 that to launching flood attack. Flood attack is to send in a large number of requests to connect and don't replay with the final request until the query in the victim is filled up. So then the systems shut down. So I will using networks and networks and cookies and the victim virtual machine to reverse the attack. So as we see here that I have three virtual machines. That one is the attacker and the observer and the victim. So we check here in the victim. We see that the cookies is on. So as we see here, that is the cooking defense is on. That cooking defense is a mechanism that to defense the counter of the sync request. So now we launch an attack. So we come here in the attacker. We're using Linux 76/I, the IP address of the victim, and we're using port 22 row. So we started here now, as we see here now. So we to test our attack. So as we see that the machine is slowed down. So we came here. So here try to telnet the victim machine. As we see is we can telnet it. So because the cook is on, so it is defends the attack. So we come back here to the victim and we try to turn off the cookies. As we see now the machine is very slow. So we turn it off. Once cooking is turned